QuickBooks Online Plus has three account types that track the value of short-term and long-term assets. The Other Current Assets account type tracks assets likely to be converted into cash or used up within 1 year. Examples of other current assets accounts include prepaid expenses and short-term notes receivable. A fixed assets account tracks assets your business owns that are not likely to be converted into cash or used up within a year. Fixed assets accounts track the value of long-lived assets with a larger value that assist you in performing your business. The value of these items is expensed over the useful life of the asset, which varies. Examples include furniture, some office equipment, computers, and vehicles. An Other Assets account tracks an asset that is neither current nor fixed. Use this account for things like security deposits on leases or intangible assets like goodwill. QuickBooks Online Plus also has two account types that track long-term and short-term liabilities. The Other Current Liabilities account tracks liabilities your company expects to pay within a year. An example is a short-term loan. A long-term liabilities account tracks debt your business is not likely to pay off within a year. For example, if buying a company vehicle, you often take out a long-term loan. The long-term loan received to purchase equipment is an example of a long-term liability. To create asset and liability accounts in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Chart of Accounts link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Chart of Accounts page. Then click the New Account button in the upper right corner of the page to open a New Account pane at the right side of the window. Enter the account's name into the Account Name field. If account numbering is enabled, you can enter an account number into the Account Number field. Select the account type from the Account Type drop-down. Then select the account detail type from the adjacent Detail Type drop-down. Optionally, to make this account a sub-account of another account, check the Make This a Sub-Account checkbox and then select its parent account from the adjacent Parent Account drop-down that then appears. To enter opening balances and starting dates for most balance sheet accounts, meaning assets, liabilities, and equity, enter the opening balance into the Opening Balance field and select the date of the opening balance amount from the As Of field. Opening balances ensure you have correct account balances for financial reports. If desired to learn more about opening balances, click the More Info on Opening Balances link. Optionally, to enter an account description, type it into the Description field. A new account preview section at the bottom of the pane shows how the asset or liability account will appear within its financial report, which is the balance sheet for asset and liability accounts. To finish creating the account, click the Save button in the lower right corner of the New Account pane. Alternatively, to save the account and then create another new account, click the drop-down to the right of this button and choose the Save and New command instead. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.